everyone, I'm Happy from my media. Today I will introduce how to put string. There are two ways to put string. One is wide area network RTSP string, like WhatsApp, restring, control platform, and so on. And the other way is local area network RTSP string, like video encoder through Wi-Fi or LAN connection. For way 1, we adopt QA video encoder in remote area to push a string on WhatsApp, and then we copy its pull string to RA. Now you can see RA pull string setting. Click next string and paste pull string on it. Click start. Confirm success. Back. Yeah, now you can see pull string from WhatsApp is successful. Okay, let me show you way 2 pull string. For way 2 pull string, we adopt QA boarding encoder to connect with LAN cable. Let's open my lab app. Login. Click QA More Settings. Click RTSP Set. Copy its RTSP address. Then switch to RA More Settings. Click Port Flow. Click Network Channel 2. Then paste it. Click Start Put. Then you can see the channel 2 have pull string from QA. And the other 3 input windows have the same operation. For way 1 is that RA is used as a remote command center, and QA located in different positions are used as a real-time video backhaul. By pull string, the application is more flexible and extensive. You can see the workflow diagram. For way 2 is mainly used in the same area, like school education, concert performance, and so on. You can see the workflow diagram. Okay, that's all of pull string setting. Thanks for your watching.